Hi, this is Vimanyu here. Welcome to the channel Talk to Chef. Today we are going to make chicken momos. As you can see, we have to prepare dough. In this dough we have used 1.5 cups of refined flour, 1 teaspoon salt and some water. Just enough water to make sure that the dough you form is soft. I have prepared some diced vegetables. In this I had added some salt just to make sure that the excess water that's inside the vegetables leaves. Then we are going to saute the chicken, minced chicken, with garlic, ginger and green chilies in a little bit of oil to make sure that the water that's inside the chicken evaporates. Then after the water has been evaporated from the chicken, we are going to add our diced vegetables to it. You can season the filling here. Just make sure that you have already added some salt into the vegetables. Make sure you don't add excess of it, and you can add some black peppercorns also. And make sure you keep sauteing it so that it mixes properly. Now we're going to prepare a steamer here. We just add some water and make sure that it comes to a boil. This is the upper part of the steamer where we're going to place the momos. Now the dough has been rested for an hour after being prepared. Now we're going to roll it out on a workplace that has been floured. We are going to portion it equally, so that it makes it easier for us to roll out the dough. We are going to roll it out and just make sure that the thickness is exactly as I have showed you in the video. Then use a cutter. We didn't have a cutter, so we use this. Make sure that it's something around 2.5 to 3 inches diameter. Then take the round part, add your filling to it. Just 3/4 is enough. Now we are going to pinch the remainder of the flour together. Make sure that it's all pinched together so that you don't leave any openings for the filling to come out. In this video I'm going to show you many shapes that you can make with a momo. Just bring the ends around and just press it together so that it joins up and you get a nice round. Then in this one we are going to pleat the dough. Keep on pleating till the dough comes together and there's no opening left. After that, pinch and roll it a bit so that the opening is closed. This is one of the most easier rolls. This one is a simple, but it looks really good. We're going to pleat it the same way we did the last one, but we are only going to do it almost 3/4 way. The rest of the part we are just going to bring it together so that it does not come all the way down, or so that you get a nice moon shape, crescent shape. This was a simple experiment of mine that I wanted to try out. I just added a bit of cream in the filling, and you can add different sauces, maybe mayonnaise or even a tangy sauce. Just make sure that it's not very moist so that the dough does not fall out, and just pinch it together as I have showed you in the video. The shape that I am using here is one of my most favorite ones. It's a simple shape but it looks really good. Then after all your momos have been prepared, you can just place them in the steamer just for 10 minutes. That's more than enough on medium flame, just so that the steam is there. And that's it, you have your momos after 10 minutes. And this is how I've plated. As you can see, the sauce that I've prepared is the Szechuan one. You can use whichever you want, but the tangy and spicy ones are the one I recommend. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed.